Okay, so since I had left the video kind of halfway yesterday, I decided to revisit it. So here is the clay bar that I have. So this is a very old clay bar. The good thing about clay bar is any clay bar works, so you basically don't have to buy a branded one. So what you see here are flakes of some dirty clay that was already there. So if you knead it properly and then take a fresh surface, it would be little easy. So my plan is to remove these black spots. So what you need to do is you need to spray some lubricant. So this can be a car wash. So just put it in a sprayer bottle, just spray like this, and once you spray, just start rubbing with the clay bar like this. So if you can see, it's actually lifting all the bad particles. So just have to repeat this all over the car. So once it is done, then it would be looking really good. So let me try doing that. Okay, so for this I need both my hands. So what I'll do is I'll put you guys on a tripod. So guys, I've clayed the whole bonnet and half of this fender. So as you can see, almost 90% of the black spots are gone. But then this clay bar itself won't bring the shine. So claying will actually leave the surface mildly scratched, as you can see probably over here. So what needs to be done is, next step is polishing the area that you clayed. So I'm going to use the buffing machine and polish out the bonnet once again, and then post that I'm going to apply wax on it, and then we will see the final shine. Alright, so stay tuned. So this is the best wax known to mankind. So I'm going to apply this. It's not easy to apply this wax. So now it is polished. There you can see the water is beading, it's not sticking to the paint. So yeah, that's how you polish the entire car. If you were expecting me to polish the entire car now, then I'm sorry to disappoint you. Pretty tiring work. Plus this heavy duty polisher actually, fatigues you pretty badly. So yeah, that is now polished. There is another step that can be done actually before putting wax on it. We can do a ceramic coating. So once the ceramic coating is done, on top of that, if we apply the wax, it is even more brilliant. It brings even a better sheen. So I'll probably get a couple of my little elf friends who actually can help me with this entire car, and then probably do the entire car once, or maybe on a Sunday afternoon I might feel little energetic and finish the entire car. So yeah, let's hope it is enjoyable as well as informative for you guys. And if you were expecting anything much more than what I did, then I'm sorry to disappoint you. But yeah, this was a tiring experience. Now the next biggest surface than this is the roof. As you can see, it is pretty dirty. So roof and these pillars is what gets maximum stains and dirt. The doors are pretty easy. It won't have a lot of work to be done to it. Half of the work that I put in on the bonnet is enough to make the door, etc., shine. So yeah, we'll do the rest of the car pretty soon, and then I'll present to you a fully buffed and polished car. So once again, thanks a lot for watching. Have a great night. Bye bye.